Alright, we're gonna give Cloudy a minute and see what he thinks of it. You want one? I know you do, you're always nipping. I know you want one. You want one? You gonna eat it? Oh, you dropped it! You want it? No. You dropped it. I know you want it. It's yummy. You dropped it. What are you trying to do? What, you want another one? Alright, let's try one more time. I know you want it. My hands are getting all sticky because of you. You chopped it again! Here. One more time. Now, eat it. Come on, Cloudy. I know you want it. There. Ah, I'm not doing this anymore. My hands are all sticky. There's a good boy.